Did Gen AI kill content creation? 4 billion, yes, copies of content are created every day. Now that everybody can make a blog, for the last 18 to 24 months, anybody can make a blog. Did it kill the blog industry? Did it kill the SEO? Here is a fun fact. Apart from the scare, most smart marketeers are actually using Gen AI tools not only for productivity, but also using it to automate long tail keywords selection, prioritization, and then automating at least 80% of the first draft of both the text and now increasingly video content on top of the blog out there. That's how you use the technology, in my humble opinion. Instead of getting killed, use it to identify new niches. Like in blogs, we are going after long tail keywords which earlier we could not have afforded to go after, but now you can do that process for 20% of the cost and save the time for other things out there. What other such content creation examples do you think is going to change by Gen AI?